Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making this simple yet delicious recipe, which is vegetable noodles in an instant pot. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! We've got 250 grams of noodles, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 50 grams of corn, 1 large sliced bell pepper, 1 large sliced tomato, 1 large sliced carrot, 1 large sliced onion, and we've made a tomato and garlic puree using 4 large tomatoes, mixed herbs, black pepper, around 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and my mum's special spice box. So today we're going to be using our instant pot. Right now we've just got our 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then we're going to add in our cumin seeds and let them pop. So after they've started popping, we can add in our garlic and onion. We'll just give this a quick saute for a minute or two before adding in our carrots and bell pepper. As these are crunchy ingredients, they'll need a bit more cooking time. So then once they've sauteed a bit but still have their crunch, we're going to add in the corn along with tomatoes and then give this another good mix. In today's recipe we're only using 1 tomato as our tomato and garlic puree also has 4 tomatoes in there. So then once this is nicely sauteed, we're just going to add in a teaspoon of salt. Then give it another good mix. Now we're going to add in a teaspoon of black pepper powder along with our mixed herbs. This is all according to your taste. We'll give it another good mix and then add in the tomato and garlic puree. So once we've added in our sauce and mixed it in, we're going to add in the sweet chili sauce. Again, this is just according to your taste. You can make it as spicy or as mild as you'd like. Then after we've got our sauce nice and ready, we're going to add in our actual noodles. Then we'll add half a bowl of water, just to make sure everything's nicely cooked. Give it another mix. Just make sure your noodles are covered in the sauce so that they can cook nicely. And then once you've done that, we can move on to cooking the noodles. So we're just going to put it on the pressure cook mode and set it for around 5 minutes. Then make sure everything's nicely sealed and just let it cook. So now we're just going to check on our noodles, and as you can see they are nicely cooked. So now we're just going to give it another good mix and then it's time for plating. I hope you've liked this video, and if you did then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy cooking, and I wish you a happy new year as too.